students, this is Anuradha from Career Platform. Now let's see question number 7 of exercise 1.2. What is the question? A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets and 8 rupees 1200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? Okay, so we have to find out the remaining money after purchase. So let's solve this question. What is given? Amount of money with the merchant is equal to rupees 78,592. Okay, then she placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 each. Here rupees 1200 each means what is given? Cost of one radio set equal to rupees 1200. Okay, so you can write like this: cost of one radio set is equal to rupees 1200. So therefore cost of 40 radio sets will be, we have to multiply with this, rupees 1200 into 40. So what I am getting? You have to write zeros as it is, that is 30, then 12 fours is 48,000. Okay, what I am getting? 48,000 here, and amount of money with the merchant is rupees 78,592. So for calculating the remaining money, we have to subtract this one and this one, right? So the remaining money after the purchase is equal to rupees 78,592 minus 48,000. Okay, so we are subtracting these numbers. So here 2 minus 0 is 2, 9 minus 0 is 9, 5 minus 0 is 5, 8 minus 8 is 0, 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, so you can conclude this is the answer. You can conclude that remaining money after the purchase is rupees 30,592. This is the question number 7. Okay. Now let's see what is the question number 8. Question number 8 is, a student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. So a student has done the mistake that he has to multiply by 56, but he has multiplied by mistake by 65. Okay, so by how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? So we have to find that his answer, by how much his answer will be greater than the correct answer. So for this I am writing solution. This difference between two multiples. So 7236 into 65 minus 7236 into 56. So I am taking common 7236 from the both numbers. So I am getting here 65 and minus 56. So 65 minus 56 is 9. 7236 into 9. So we have to multiply with 9 here. You can write like this also, into 10 minus 1. 7230 minus 7236. Okay. Can write like this: 7236 into 10 minus 7236 into 1. Okay, so 10 minus 6 is 4. Then here we have taken borrow, so this is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1. Here I am taking borrow from here, so 12 minus 7, 5, here 6. Okay, so it is 65,124. So you can conclude like this: thus his answer is greater than the correct answer by 65,124. Okay, so this is the solution for the question number 8. Okay, now let's see question number 9 of exercise 1.2. What is the question number 9? To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Okay, how much cloth is needed? 2 meter 15 centimeter, and out of 40 meter cloth, means total cloth is, we have the total cloth is 240 meter, and how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? We have to find these two things. Okay, so I am writing the solution here. Pay attention. Okay, total cloth is 40 meter. Okay, so we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, means 40 meter equal to 40, 100 means 4000 centimeter. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then to stitch a shirt, we have how much cloth is needed? 2 meter 15 centimeter. Cloth needed to stitch a shirt is equal to 2 meter 15 centimeter. Okay, so 2 meter we can write here 2 into 100 plus 15 centimeter, that is 200 plus 15 will be 215 centimeter. Okay, we are converting the meter into centimeter here. Okay, then what is the question? How many shirts can be stitched? So shirts can be stitched will be, we have to divide this thing to this number to this number. 4000 divided by 215. What I will get? Like this we have to show. We know that 2 2s are 4. So 215 into 2, 2 5s are 10, 1 2 1s are 2, 3, 2 2s are 4. It is 430, that is greater than 400. So we are writing here 215 minus, then here 10 minus 5 is 5, here 9 minus 1 is 8, here 3 minus 2 is 1, and 0 will be down. Okay, so I am getting 1850. Then again 2 9s are 18. Okay, so here 215 into 9, 9 5s are 45, 9 1s are 9, 9 and plus 4 13, 9 2s are 18 and 19, 1935. 1935 is greater than 1850, so we will multiply 1 lesser than 9. Okay, so here 215 into 8, 8 5s are 40, 8 1s are 8, 8 and plus 4 is 12, 8 2s are 16 plus 1 is 17. So I am getting 1720, that is less than this number. So I am writing 215 8s are 1720. That is, I am getting 0, 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 minus 7 is 1. Okay. So shirts can be stitches. That is the answer. This quotient. Okay. This quotient will be answer. That is 18. How many shirts can be stitched? Shirts can be stitched will be 18 in number. And how much cloth will remain? This is the remaining number. So we can write the answer. (18 centimeter). Okay. And cloth will remain 130 centimeter. That is 1 meter 30 centimeter. So that is the solution for the question number 9. You have to divide this part. Okay. Now students, let's do the question number 10 of exercise 1.2. Okay. What is the question? Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. How many such boxes loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? So we have to divide both the numbers. Okay. For getting answer. Now I am writing the solution here. What is the weight of boxes is equal to 4 kg 500 gram, and we know that 1 kg is 1000 gram, right? So we can convert this one. 4 kg 500 gram will be 4000 plus 500, that is 4500 gram. Weight of boxes which cannot carry is equal to 800 kg, that is 800 into 1000, right? 800 into 1000. So I am writing here 800,000. You can read like 8 lakh gram, 4500 gram. Okay, so we have to divide both for a number of boxes loaded in a van. Okay, so you can divide this. Zero zero cancel. 5 nines are 45. 5 ones are 5. 3 is balance, so 30. 5 6 are 30. 0 0. Okay. We are dividing 1600 from 9. 9 ones are 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. 0. 9 7s are 56 and 9 8s are 72. So 9 7s are 56. Okay. 10 minus 6 is 4. I am writing here. Sorry. Four here, and this one will be 6 minus 1 is 5. 140. I'm again dividing this one. This 50 and here is 4500. Okay, so I'm dividing this one. 8000 divided by 45. 45 ones are 45. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 7 minus 4 is 3. 350. Okay, 45 sevens are 315. 7 5s are 35. 3 7 4s are 28 plus 2 is 31. Okay, so I am getting here 5 and 4 minus 1 3. Again 0. I am getting 7. 45 sevens are 315. Then again 5 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So again if we add dot, okay, so again this sevens are 315. So this will be like this. So by round off I will get approximate value. I will get 177 boxes loaded in a van. Okay, so this will be the answer of question number 10. Okay students, now let's see question number 11 of exercise 1.2. What is the question? They had given the distance between the school and the house of a student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both ways. Okay, there are two ways. She has walked both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. Okay. So here I am writing the solution. Distance between school and the house is equal to 1 kilometer 875 meter. We can convert into meter. So 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So 1000 plus 875, that is 1875 meter, because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay, then distance traveled both means 2 by 2 ways is equal to 1875 into 2, that is 2 5s are 10, 7 2s are 14, plus 1 is 15, 8 2s is 16, plus 1 is 17, 1 2 1s are 2 and 3. So I am getting 3750 meter by both ways. Then what we have to calculate? Total distance covered by her in 6 days. For 6 days we have to multiply with this number, that is 3750 into 6. 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30, 3 is balance, 6 7s are 42, plus 3 is 45, 4 is balance, 6 is 18, 18 plus 4 will be 22. 22,500 meter. So you can write this one as 22 kilometer 500 meter. This is the answer. This is the answer for the question number 11. Okay students, this is the last question of exercise 1.2, that is question number 12. Okay, what is the question? A vessel has 4 liters and 500 milliliter of curd. Okay, so given is quantity of curd is equal to 4 liter 500 ml. So we know that 1 liter equal to 1000 ml, right? We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So we have to convert this in ml. That is 4000 plus 500. That will be 4500 ml. Then in how many glasses? Each of 20 ml capacity. So capacity of vessel, okay, that is container in which the curd has been placed. Capacity of vessel is 25 ml. Okay, so can it be filled? So number of glasses, for calculating number of glasses, we have to divide this both numbers. Okay, 4500 divided by 25. So 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 45, 0 0. Then here 900 divided by 5. 900 divided by 5 is 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, and 9 minus 5 is 4, 40, 5 8s are 40 and 0. That will be 180. Equal to 180. This is the answer of this question number 12. Okay students, I hope you understand this exercise 1.2. In the next video, I will come with the exercise 1.3. Okay, please like, share, comment, and till then, bye bye and take care. Okay, thank you.